Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. Today we are putting on bike racks. Here's the rear one already done. Let me show you how I did it. The front rack is going to be a little more tricky. This is a rear rack which I'm modifying to fit on the front. I've already created a bracket which was a spare part from another rack which is long gone now, and I'm going to have to drill some holes and fix some brackets to the forks. Okay, let me show you how I did that. So there we have it. The carrier eventually went on. I can't say without a fight after a few modifications and one failed first attempt, where I wanted the supports a little further down here so that they would rest on the bottom, but I did not take into account the disc brake on the other side, so I could not do that. I ended up fixing them a bit further back, but in doing so I had to cut the end of the carrier to make it fit. Anyway, it's all rock solid now, and look at that. Perfectly level, you can't beat that. And here we have the Tortec Transalp on the back. And that went on relatively easily compared to the front, and it's rock solid and it looks really nice, I think. Here's the whole bike now. Yeah, it's looking pretty damn nice, if I must say so myself. That's it for this video. If you'd like to see more videos, Maybe the next videos will be more outside rather than inside, and maybe riding on the bike. So if you'd like to see more of that, like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, see you next time.